Hi, everyone. Yep, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for every employee out there, federal employee or postal employee, and that's your benefits. You know, federal employees receive some of the best perks, but are you really getting the most out of them? You need to ask yourself that, so let's walk through what benefits that you have access to and why they matter, and most importantly, how you can maximize every single one of them for better, more secure future. First, let's start with the basics. What are the key benefits that come with being a government employee? Number one, health insurance. One of the major perks for federal employees is health insurance. Although the Federal Employee Health Benefits Program, or FEHB, it gives you a range of plans to choose from, so you can pick the one that fits your needs. Now here's a tip. Every year during open season, it's good to review your plan options. Why? Because switching plans can sometimes save you hundreds of dollars, especially if your family's health needs have changed. So let's face it, who doesn't want to save money on health care? Seriously. Number two, right here. I guess 1, 2, 3, whatever. Number two, life insurance. Although the Federal Employee Group Life Insurance Program, or FEGLI, is a life insurance program you have access to, it's term insurance. FEGLI is unique because you can choose your coverage amount based on your salary. This coverage is designed to protect your family financially if the unexpected happens, and reviewing your life insurance needs every few years is a great idea, especially as your family situation changes. The right coverage means peace of mind and knowing your loved ones are taken care of. Let's see, number three. Retirement benefits. Federal employees have a unique retirement system called FERS, which stands for Federal Employee Retirement System. This system is actually three parts working together. You've got your FERS pension, your Social Security benefits, and the Thrift Savings Plan, or TSP. Each of these parts serves as a pillar for your retirement income. Maximizing them means understanding how each one works and knowing how they'll support you in retirement. Individually, we'll talk about TSP, or the Thrift Savings Plan. The TSP is one of the best tools for building retirement savings, but you'll have to start taking full advantage of it. Contributing enough to get the maximum government match will make a big difference over time, and if you're not, it's like leaving free money on the table. And here's a tip. Understanding the difference between traditional and Roth TSP options can help you make smarter tax decisions. The benefit coordinators can help you navigate this choice to find out what works best for you. So, number 5 would be sick leave and annual leave. Federal employees also get a generous amount of leave, both annual and sick leave. But did you know that saving these hours can make a real impact in your retirement? Here's how. Any unused annual leave might result in a larger paycheck when you retire. And unused sick leave can actually boost your pension. So while it's great to take time off, keeping some of your leave in the bank can actually pay off in the long run. Maximizing your benefits. Now that we've gone over these core benefits, let's talk about how you can make the most out of them. And here are some practical tips that you can help unlock the full potential as a federal employee. We're going to give up some of these tips coming up next. We at the Benefit Coordinators really enjoy creating this video content for you. If you enjoy it as well, would you please consider clicking the like and the subscribe buttons. Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We'd like to provide you, at no cost, a copy of our e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. This is in our 13th year that we've done this for federal employees. It's no cost to you, simply request it of the benefit coordinators. Or if you prefer, you can actually go to Amazon and purchase it yourself. And now, let's get back to the video now that my car has been cleaned. Tip number 1, review your benefits regularly. Life doesn't stand still, not at all, and neither should your benefits. Marriage, kids, and even changes in your financial goals can all impact the benefits that suit you best. By reviewing your benefits annually, you can make small adjustments that can have a big impact over time. Tip number 2, use HSAs or FSAs. If your health care plan offers a health savings account or a flexible spending account, take full advantage of these pre-tax savings accounts for medical expenses. They can help you save on out-of-pocket health care costs, and for many employees, they're a smart way to keep health care spending in check. Tip number 3, max out your TSP contributions. This is a big one. If you're not maxing out TSP contributions, you're potentially leaving free money behind. Even if you can't maximize right off the bat, try to get the full matching contribution from the government. Think of it this way: it's extra money for your retirement, and every little bit helps. Tip number 4, check your FEGLI coverage. FEGLI life insurance coverage can be a lifesaver, but it's easy to overlook. As your family grows or your financial needs change, so should your life insurance coverage. And remember, there's also options outside of FEGLI that might suit you better. Consulting with the benefit coordinators can help you figure out the best plan that fits your needs. Consider long-term care options. Long-term care might seem a far time away, but the federal long-term care insurance program, which may be available in the future, could be an option, if not civilian plans. It provides coverage that Medicare does not, helping with services like in-home health care or assisted living. Planning for long-term care early can help protect your savings down the road. So, why are federal employee benefits? Why are they so valuable? These benefits aren't just about today. They're designed to support you through every stage of your life and throughout your career. Many private sector jobs don't offer the same level of security, and that's what makes federal benefits so valuable. But remember, to really get the most out of them, you need to understand them and how they work and make the smart choices. This is where the benefit coordinators comes in. We're here to help Federal and Postal Service employees make sense of their benefits and avoid costly mistakes. So take action today. If you're ready to get the most out of your benefits, start by reviewing each one and take a look at your TSP contributions. Checking in on your FEGLI coverage and think about how long-term care might fit into your plan. The more you know, the better choices that you can make. And how can the benefit coordinators help? Well, we know that understanding all the options isn't easy. That's why the benefit coordinators is here to guide you. From explaining your benefits in simple terms to helping you make informed decisions. We're committed to giving Federal and Postal Service employees the confidence and peace of mind that they need. Whether you're early in your career or close to retirement, it's never too late to make sure your benefits are working for you. So, wrapping it all up, you're ready to take control of your federal employee benefits, are you? Remember, these benefits are more than just perks. They're the key to a stable future. Don't let a lack of information hold you back. You can start today by reviewing your benefits and making adjustments where needed. And if you need help, you can count on the benefit coordinators. We're here for you every step of the way. I thank you for watching, and remember, we have more tips on making the most of your federal employee benefits. So we look forward to seeing you next time.